A for apple. B for book. C for coconut tree. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for gold. H for house. I for India. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nose. O for ox. P for penguin.